Transform a basic tee into a stylish statement piece by adding a bold stripe to the sleeve. First, measure the circumference of your sleeve and decide how wide you want your stripe to be. Then, cut your striped fabric, adding an extra inch on each side for seam allowance. Align the raw edge of your striped fabric with the desired placement on your sleeve, pinning it securely to prevent shifting during sewing. Using a straight stitch on your sewing machine, carefully sew the stripe onto the sleeve, maintaining a consistent seam allowance, typically ½ inch. Fold the striped fabric over to conceal the raw edge, then iron to create a crisp, clean fold, making sure the folded edge covers your previous stitch line. Pin the folded stripe in place, ensuring the stripe is laying flat and smooth against the sleeve. Now, top stitch close to the folded edge to secure the stripe in place, using a matching thread for a professional finish. And there you have it, a perfectly striped sleeve, ready to elevate your wardrobe with a touch of personalized style.